Hey guys, Theo here and welcome to the Caffeine Zone where we discuss everything coffee. Now in this instant coffee series, we are tasting for you guys today the Woolworths Cafe Gold freeze-dried instant coffee medium roast. 2 out of 4 beans. Or 3 out of 5 beans. Well, let's call it a 1 out of 2 beans. There we go, medium roast. Again, no recipe on the bottle. Woolworths, please give us a recipe. We want to know how much we need to use. I will be using 2.2 grams of coffee per 100 ml of water. So that would be 4.4 grams for my 200 ml cup. It is packaged and produced in Germany for South Africa. Use up within 4 weeks once you open the lid. And this one again, 100% Arabica, the finest Arabica, with a medium roast, which again, a lot more flavor. I think let's get into tasting this, right? Because it is freeze-dried, it again has that crystal type of texture to it. Beautiful, 4.4 grams. Ooh, too much. Oh, I'm noting something interesting here. There's 2 colors of powder in here. One light yellowish and one fairly brown. That's very interesting. It's like they blended 2 different instant coffees together to create the medium flavor. That's impressive. I like that. Very nice sweet aroma coming from it. Not too shabby. Let's get some water on it. Remember to always seal your lids to keep it fresh for 4 weeks. I try and finish in 1 week. It's going to dry out really quickly. Never use boiling water. Don't extract the bitter elements so much. We want flavor in our coffee. Start the timer and let's go for 2-minute tasting. Oh wow, beautiful crema on top of this. Almost a golden color. I see why they went with the gold, the Cafe Gold. Beautiful gold crema. I like it. Smells sweet still, sweet and creamy. Let's fast forward to 2 minutes so we can get to tasting. 2 minutes, give it a good stir. Make sure everything is nice and dissolved. Beautiful crema, like, I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but it's a beautiful crema. Still, I love it. Okay, first sip. Okay, that's interesting. Worse than I thought, but better than I expected. Being instant coffee, nothing against any of that. Slurpity slurp. Wow, this is fairly heavy for a medium roast. Woolworths, you're not playing around. You're putting some proper intensity flavors in there. Nice and heavy in the back of the throat, big body, which means a nice tad of milk with this can work. And interestingly, it says add hot water, not boiling, or milk and sugar to your taste. So they're kind of building this coffee more towards the milk and sugar drinker. It's like this is not intended for people drinking black coffee. Which, nothing wrong with that. I mean, whatever floats your boat. Sippity sip for sweetness, acidities and bitterness. It lacks a lot on the sweetness side. I would say probably about a 2, let's be generous, 3 out of 10 sweetness. Acidity, good 6. 6 out of 10 right there. That would blend beautifully or mix beautifully with milk. Definitely. I could do this without sugar because bitterness is not too bad. That's about a 4 out of 10 bitterness. That's not bad. We could do this black. We can definitely do this without sugar. But if you had to add milk to this, I wouldn't hold it against you. Interesting. I like it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. The Cafe Gold. And yeah, that sounds like a coffee that you would enjoy. that's the coffee for you. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and see you guys in the next video. May you find your happy place in every single cup.